Yes! Another terrific idea?
Correcto!
Alright, girl, tell me. That is a wonderful idea, Zap. You're sure, right?
Thank you. Yes.
You sure?
Yeah, positively sure.
Alright. Well, Zap told me that he wants to learn about the scientific method.
Yeah.
I think that's a wonderful idea.
Thank you.
Let's learn about the scientific method. Woo!
Oh, so what is the scientific method?
The scientific method is a way to find the correct answer to a question by repeated trials.
But what are the steps of the scientific method?
Oh, well, the first step is observation. I knew. They said I was crazy. I knew. I see something weird. I must take a note of this. I see it. I see a very weird thing. And let me smell this. It smells strange. Should I taste it? I better not taste it. It feels weird and rough, and they'll be proud of me when they hear that it growls too. Observation is gathering data through your 5 senses.
Sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. Something smells weird.
Once you have done an observation, you ask a meaningful question.
What?
Well, not exactly. It's more like what caused this to happen, when and how it happened, and many more questions can be asked.
Oh!
I wonder, what would happen if I feed this kid with trash? Chips! Cookies! Soda! Marshmallows! And candy! Ring pops! Blue raspberry! The next steps are prediction and hypothesis.
Prediction is an educative guess of what will happen in the future.
Because I know that eating a lot of junk food can get you sick. And not only that, give you a lot of cavities, I predict this kid will get really sick, a lot of cavities. And not only that, but he'll put on some weight.
Delicious. Hypothesis is a possible answer or explanation to a scientific question.
My hypothesis is that eating a lot of junk food is really unhealthy.
The next step is doing a test or an experiment.
For this step, you need to write a plan in the order that you are going to do it. Make sure you have an independent variable.
What is that?
The variable that the scientist changes. And the dependent variable, the variable that changes as a response.
Oh!
For this experiment, the independent variable will be the food. And the dependent variable will be the kid. As you make your experiment, make sure you collect data.
Or information.
Right. You can use your scientific skills such as
Comparing, justifying, using numbers, etc.
For the first month, I'm going to feed this kid with mostly junk food, and I'm going to write down my observations. And the second month, I'm going to feed him with mostly healthy food.
What?
And I'll write down my observations. After a month of eating mostly junk food, this kid has put on 80 pounds.
I've put on 80 pounds.
Has a toothache.
I have a toothache.
Is sick, but not only that, he can also barely move.
I can't barely move. Can you please pass over the cookies?
After a month of eating mostly healthy foods, this kid has lost the 80 pounds that he gained.
I lost 80 pounds with the healthy system.
He's also very active. And he loves to study.
I can't wait for school to start.
Not only that, but most of all, and the most important thing, is that he's happy.
I'm happy.
After collecting and interpreting the data, it's time to make conclusions. My conclusion after this experiment is that eating a lot of junk food is really bad for you. But, on the other hand, good healthy food helps all of your body.
Your brain, your muscles, and even your mood.
Right. If I were doing another type of experiment, I would repeat it several times to make sure I got an accurate result. But since we are talking about a person's health, I'll just do it this once.
But please, don't try this at home.
Well, now that we have gathered and interpreted all the data and drawn our conclusions, it is time for us to communicate the results.
You can do it through writing or speaking. Presenting the renowned scientist, Boom!
Thank you. First of all, thank you, my fellow scientists, for inviting me to this conference. Second of all, today I want to share with you the results of my experiment.
Wow, the scientific method is fun.
Yeah, and it's really interesting to learn all the steps.
Yeah, remember, eat healthy.
And enjoy your treats with moderation.
So like this video and subscribe to our channel, please.
And if you would like to see any other topic that we haven't shown yet, tell us down in the comments below.
Yeah. Boom. Can I have 5 lollipops?
Why don't we just stick to one?
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
We are Zap and Boom. Bye.
Oh, I see something. I see something very weird. I need to take a note of this.
Marshmallows. Awesome. Ring pops. Marshmallows.
I'm going to feed this kid with mostly healthy food.
What?
Put on 80 pounds.
Put on 80 pounds.
Has a toothache. Kid has put on 80 pounds.
I put on 80 pounds.
Has a toothache.
I have a toothache.
Is sick.
I'm sick.
After a month of eating mostly junk food, this kid has put on 80 pounds.
I have put on 80 pounds.
He has a toothache.
I have a toothache.
He's sick.
I'm sick.
And he can barely move.